Tatmeen weekly workshop call. Hope we are audible. Najwa, can you confirm my voice is audible?
Yes, Bharatwaj, we can hear you.
Okay, thanks, Najwa. So this meeting is recorded, and we will be sharing this recorded link to the industry within 24 hours from now. So let's move on to the questions. Anish, can you unmute yourself and ask your question, please?
Hello.
Anish? Yes,
Hello.
Anish. Can hear
Uh,
you.
Good morning, Bharadwaj.
Good morning.
Yeah, I just want to ask one doubt regarding this aggregation.
Okay.
So suppose the manufacturer commissioned this item without aggregation. So
Okay.
in that case, if we want to do the aggregation and if we want to upload a CSV file, in the CSV file, we cannot again, we don't have to commission again the serial numbers, right? Only we have to commission the SSCC and the packing event, right?
Okay. The serial number or the SSCC, which is already commissioned successfully on Tatmeen. So you can proceed with the aggregation. Okay. You can perform commissioning and aggregation together, or commissioning separate, or aggregation separate. Okay, so in your scenario, what I understand is you wanted to perform an aggregation for a few serial numbers or SSCC, and your doubt is about since these are commissioned, you can proceed to aggregation or not, right?
Yes. Since it
Yeah.
is commission, I have to upload I have to give the customer a CSV file. So in that case, in the normal CSV, there will be commissioning event, then packing event like that, right?
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
here I don't have to include this commissioning event for serial numbers, but I have to include the commissioning event for SSCC that I am going to aggregate.
Yes, you can have it because SSCC is always a parent object, and serial numbers would be considered as the child objects in that. So if you have commissioned these SSCC and serial numbers successfully, then the next step would be you can proceed with the aggregation process.
So correct me if I'm wrong, because I just to confirm. Now the serial numbers, only serial numbers are commissioned. There is no SSCC in the Tatmeen portal now. Only
Okay.
serial numbers. So what
Mm.
I'm going to do is for case level I will create SSCC, and
Mm.
palette level I will create SSCC. So I have to
Mm.
commission this case level and palette level, right? SSCC and the packing event for all the serial numbers.
Can you ask your question again, please?
So I want to make a CSV file for manual upload.
Okay.
So in this case, since these serial numbers are already commissioned,
Mm-hmm.
now I don't have to go for commissioning event for the serial numbers, but I
Yes.
have to commission the SSCC numbers.
Mm.
Then I have to do the packing event for the serial numbers, correct?
Yes. Yes. Because
Then,
yeah, correct.
then I can upload the CSV again.
Yes.
So
Yes. True.
it will reflect in Tatmin accordingly.
Yes, because while aggregating, all these serial numbers will have to go into a parent object, that is SSCC. If SSCCs are not commissioned, then obviously there would be some kind of an error will trigger to the user. So if here in this case, you have successfully commissioned the serial numbers, but there is no commissioning process you have done for the SSCCs.
Yeah, because aggregation was not done.
Yes.
Uh,
So usually what we suggest is the commissioning event would start with the serial numbers and then the SSCC and then the aggregation process will start. Okay. So
uh-huh.
since you have completed the serial numbers commissioning, then you proceed with the commissioning of the SSCCs.
Then packing event.
Yes, please.
Okay. And one more doubt. If we have to commission some old stock,
Okay.
means if the shipment permit date is expired, we can do the commissioning or not?
If the shipment permit date is expired, then you may not be able to commission, then you may not be able to use those shipment permit number for commissioning because that is already expired.
So that the serial numbers we cannot report to Tatmeen anymore.
No, you're saying the shipment permit is expired, right? Not the serial numbers. Serial numbers won't expire. So here, which is going to expire or expired? The serial numbers or the shipment?
Serial numbers are valid, but it is an old stock. At that time, it is not commissioned. So if we want to report to Tatmeen these serial numbers, obviously in the CSV we have to include the shipment permit number.
Right.
So at that time, if it was expired shipment permit number, will the Tatmeen will accept the serial numbers?
No, it won't accept.
So we cannot
Only
commission that products.
Yes, you cannot use the expired shipment permit numbers on Tatmeen for commissioning process. The shipment permit number should be approved and that should be active. So
those serial numbers already released without commissioning, we cannot commission back again to Tatmeen, right?
No, without commissioning means is it before the enforcement or after the enforcement?
Maybe it is actually it should be definitely after this endorsement, but maybe they got some exceptions at that time. It was so.
Okay, then in that case, after the enforcement, then this is very short time only, right? So then in that case, I don't think it would have been expired. I think the shipment permit is only 2 months validity, right? It depends, which I'm not sure. It has various validity status, 2 months, 6 months. There are various status for the import permit system. It will come. If it is expired, then you may not be able to use it. But anyway, what I would suggest to you is, if it is expired, then don't use it. Go ahead with the new shipment permit number. If otherwise the shipment permit is already active and available, then you can use that particular shipment permit number. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Anand, can you unmute yourself and ask your question, please?
Hi, Bhardwaj. Anand here.
Yes, Anand. Good morning.
Good morning. Actually, the thing is like one of our customers in Jordan, they have taken a heterogeneous batch. Okay. If suppose in heterogeneous batch, there are 6 different batches are there. And I'm just giving you an example. Each batch content of 10 unit boxes. Okay.
Okay.
So resulting that the total shipment unit box is 60.
Okay.
But the thing is like while generating the commissioning file, all 60 unit boxes serial numbers got in only one file against the one batch. So what happened when they uploaded the file in Tatmeen, all the 60 batch, all the 60 unit numbers are uploaded against only one batch. So now when they're trying to upload the numbers again, they are saying that number is already exist with other this contents with other SSAC code or something. So we need some help from your side, like how we can proceed in this case.
Anand, are you talking about the case number BK124?
BKS124, yes.
BK124.
Yes.
Okay. If I have seen your, since I'm looking at your email, you're saying there are some same serial numbers are being used for the batch. That is the main concern, right?
No, not same number, not same serial numbers. Actually, thing is like the customer has heterogeneous batch. Okay.
Okay.
In that heterogeneous batch, the total 6 batches are included in one shipment. Okay.
Okay.
So when they've generated the file, what happened? All the 6 serial number, all the 6 batch serial number got inserted in one batch against one batch, and that one batch got processed in Tatmeen.
Okay.
If suppose batch A contains 10 unit boxes and batch B contains 10, like this. But when they uploaded the batch in Tatmeen, against the batch A itself, 60 unit boxes got processed in Tatmeen.
No, I don't think so, until unless the user performs such activity. Do you have any, so what was the status of that particular upload? Is it successful or failure?
All those 60, I'm just giving you example. All those 60 numbers are already inserted in your DB, in your Tatmeen portal. So when
Okay.
we trying to now we have generated the file, because we came to know that when we generated the file, that time the format, the file in a file format, all 6 batches numbers got inserted. That is why
Okay.
against the same batch number, all 60 numbers got inserted in your DB. So we solved that problem. So we regenerated the file, and we came to know that now against each batch, one file is generating. It is not mixing with any other batches.
Okay, I don't, I mean, in that particular case, I think you haven't shared any, you haven't shared any XMLs or the instance identifier with us.
No, I have shared complete XML file with you before. The whatever the XMLs are generated through system, that I have already shared with you. If you want, just allow me to just share my screen, so I will explain in detail like what happened actually.
Okay, 1 minute. So you got it only through one case, or you have any other case number
No,
related to
I have
this?
only one case. I have only one case.
Only one case, is it?
Yes, I have only one
Okay,
case.
let me check it right away. No, I think Anand, the extract, whatever you have shared, that is from a PDF on 29th of March.
Yeah, that PDF you can see, that is a shipping order. Like
Yes,
in that PDF.
so that PDF is something more from your system.
Yes,
Yeah, your system in the sense it is from ACG Worldwide Shipping
yes,
Order
it is
Details
generated.
Report.
Yeah, it is generated from
So
ACG.
what I'm asking or requesting from you is a single batch. You're saying 60 units are uploaded, right? So is there any message ID or instance identifier where the user has uploaded, and can you share that information with us, please? Because there would be some activity performed by the user, and it would have been uploaded successfully on Tatmeen. So we wanted to know how this batch was uploaded and what was being uploaded.
If you allow me to share my screen, just I'll show you that what the file which you sent me, the one Excel file I got. Okay, in that Excel file, I'll show you. I'll just explain you the scenario what happened. Okay.
1 minute. You want a screen sharing, is it?
Yeah. I want to share the screen.
Okay. I think you cannot share your screen.
Oh, I cannot share the screen.
You cannot share your screen because you're not an organizer. Only organizers can share your screen. See, Anand, like this case, we have seen it earlier, and whatever the information you have shared, because I have the case number with me right now. Whatever the PDF you have shared, that is from your system, and
No, Bharadwaj, no. With that PDF, I have shared you an Excel file also. If you open that Excel file.
Yeah, this Excel sheet, I think we have shared you the information for the lot number.
Yeah. If you see that, the lot number is same only. The lot number is same only for all the batches. Whatever we have uploaded, the lot number is same only. That is the case. What we are just trying to explain to you. We have uploaded 6 different batches, but in this file, what we have seen, the lot number is same only for all different 6 batches.
Hmm.
So the concern is like the system generated system generated one file and it got inserted in system generated 6 file, but it got inserted in single file only with against the same serial number, same batch number.
That won't happen if I don't think so. That would have been happened. So definitely there is some kind of an confusion involved here. So Anand, so are you talking about the lot number 2310107?
Yes. If you see
Okay.
now,
Okay.
against this batch number, the customer has uploaded. 1 second, I'll tell you. Against this batch number, customer has uploaded again 14,420 cartons. Okay, against this batch.
Okay.
But in a file, if you see in a file, it's around. Okay, there are. Let me put one filter here because against this batch, it is showing.
In this, I could see how many entries. There are 98,414 entries up there.
Yes. Okay. 72,480 480 numbers. It is showing like import cleared. Okay.
Okay.
And for others numbers, it is showing in progress. In progress, they have this is a partial batch. So one batch was uploaded in another shipment. It got processed successfully in Tatmeen, and the second shipment which they uploaded here, the status it is showing like 951 import cleared.
See, import clear means the particular serial number has got import clearance from the Moab team. Okay. And in progress, let me filter those in progress. In progress, it means this is received and the status, the disposition status is in progress for these serial numbers.
But against this batch, customer has uploaded only 14,000 numbers. But in this file, it is showing 72 numbers. That is what we just wanted to clear it here. Customer has uploaded 6 different batches, but the file which they uploaded in that same all the numbers got stored in one file only. So that first file got processed in Tatmeen.
No, I don't think so, Anand. Like this seems to be going in some different direction, because you earlier had, if I open your case properly, you had an error. Let me tell you, you had some error, and after that error, I have asked you to share the list of case number, lot numbers where you need the serial numbers which are already successfully uploaded. And after that, this information is being shared. Okay, and now this is being shared, and then since it sounds like you have a different kind of an question. If these particular lot numbers are successfully uploaded in Tatmeen, as per the user, whatever the user has been uploaded. Okay. In order to justify you, what I would ask you is, please share the message IDs or the instance identifier, the CSV underscore blah blah blah. That is the instance identifier which will be there. Please share that information. We will check and come back. What are the serial numbers uploaded in this particular lot for this particular commissioning process?
I think I have already shared those things also with you. Like the XML files I already shared with you.
No. We don't have that, because the BK124 only the extract I have, and then the PDF copy which you shared with me, only that information I have.
Now, if you see the case number BK110, in that I have shared you the XML files, and then I got a reply from you that this case is already been closed, and you just communicate with another case like they're seeing.
No, I'm talking about BK124, not 110.
No, BK110 was continuous to your BK124 actually.
Okay.
BK110, we can see BK110.
Okay. Yeah, I got it. Okay. So, Anand, like, why don't you, can you share that message IDs with us along with the instance identifier? We will check, we will have to check on this and then only we can confirm you on anything. Because as of now, whatever is available on the Tatmeen system, I have shared that information to you.
The thing is like customer tried to upload many times, so instant identifier also got changed every time. So we don't know in which file it was
See,
successful.
here in this case, the error which you have reported to us was on somewhere close to March 19th or 18th. So the error which you are receiving is you are trying to commission the SSCC, which is already commissioned. So for that reason, we have shared you the list of serial numbers against each lot, which are already reported on Tatmeen, saying these particular serial numbers will have to be ignored. Okay.
Okay.
And you have given me, I think, 7 or 8 lot numbers.
Yes. 6 lot numbers I have given.
Yeah. You have given me the list of lot numbers. And then for this list, we have shared you the extract from Tatmeen saying these are the list of serial numbers against this lot which are successfully reported.
Yeah, I'll share you the XML file also, which we uploaded to in Tatmeen.
Yes, please. You can share that information wherever you see any discrepancy on the lot. So from there we can check, and if needed, we can connect again via different call.
Okay, fine. I'll just share you that XML file again.
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye. Raja Muhammad, can you unmute yourself, please? Raja Muhammad, can you unmute yourself?
Hello?
Yes, Raja, we can hear you.
Good morning. I am on behalf of Right Health here. I have a doubt, like I want to know the report of pending in transit like transactions. Like I have to receive the good receipt here. So whichever is pending or the supplier has given transfer to me, but I am not sure. So where that report can be generated?
Which report you are saying? Are you asking about the in-transit report?
Yeah, in transit.
Okay. And so yeah, in-transit report is being shared from us to the specific SPOC user for the particular GLN. So if you are a SPOC, then you should be able to receive such information.
In the email itself. Otherwise, from the portal, we cannot download it, right?
No, from the portal, that option is not feasible as of now.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so if you are a SPOC, you should be able to receive the in-transit report notification from us. If you are not a SPOC, then I would suggest you reach out to the relevant SPOC user and then get this information.
Okay, I am the SPOC user. If, for example, as on today, I want the report actually.
Okay.
And in that case, to which email ID I can write a request?
The in-transit notifications you are receiving, right? So that is the report where you can refer actually. So is there anything more you are expecting? I couldn't get your question clearly.
Actually, what happened? We have in our company, we have 2 warehouse which is supplying the medicines to our entire clinics and pharmacies.
Okay.
So, whereas one warehouse or whatever, when we log in into the portal, all the facilities, GS1 numbers, and every facility has been mentioned here. And when we go for seeing the in transit, there is no details upon it. So, whatever
Yes.
the invoice comes in, we have to scan and we have to receive the goods.
Yeah.
And rather than that, whatever the supplier has posted in our GS1, we will also not know. Maybe at one point of time it is what to say, keep on pending, or we are not knowing the data.
Okay.
So,
See, that's what, Raja. As of now, the notification which we are sharing to Spoke user is the in-transit notification. And if you wanted any further notification, any further extract or report to be available on Tatmeen, which will be useful for you and for the business, then write an email to us onboarding@tatmeen.ae. We will have to check internally, and then based on the further approvals, we will have to take a decision whether this is doable or not. Okay, you can very well share your feedback on the Tatmeen portal. What kind of report you need, so that would be helpful for your business. We will take it forward. Okay. Raja, are you still with us? Okay. Raja, able to hear us?
Hello.
Yes, Raja, we can hear you now.
Yeah. So that's it, sir. This is only the reporting only is not having, like, even the stock report or anything. That transparency, if it is coming, is then it will be
Yeah.
easy for us.
Yes, Raja. So, like as informed earlier, if you need any further customization or any report needs to be included, you can drop an email to onboarding@tatmeen.ae, and we will take it internally, and then we'll keep you informed on the next steps based on the decision, based on the outcome of the decision.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Robert, can you unmute yourself, please? Robert, can you unmute yourself? Robert, can you unmute yourself? Robert, if any case, if you're unable to unmute yourself and speak, open up your question, you can drop an email to us, onboarding@tatmeen.ae, with your question or clarification. Any one of us from our team should be able to help you with the response. At this moment, we do not have any more questions, so we will wait for another 5 more minutes. Nias, can you unmute yourself?
Yes. Hello.
Hi, Nias. Good morning.
Good morning. So basically, we are from a development team. Okay. So we wanted to know if you want to integrate the application with this portal, how do we go about it? like
Okay.
Postman collection API.
Yes.
Is it
Okay.
API is available?
Yeah, correct. Since you wanted to integrate your system with Tatmeen, the best option is you will have to integrate it through the Postman collections, which is available in tatmeen.ae website. Okay. So over there in tatmeen.ae website, under technical guides, you have Postman collections option is available. So you can very well download these particular API payloads, and then
Okay.
you can integrate, you can import it through your Postman or any other system which is belongs to you, and then you can start getting integrated. The prerequisite is only the B2B user is allowed to perform the integration via B2B process.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
B2B user. So the Spoke
Okay.
user will have to create an B2B user, and B2B user will have to register himself. And
Okay.
upon successful registration, there would be another approval from our side would be available for developer portal for B2B user
Okay.
only. So once he obtains that, the B2B user can access the Tatmeen APIs.
Okay. So you mean to say we need to create a user ID password for developer purpose, right?
Yes, Spoke user. Spoke user will have to create will have to trigger the invitation link for B2B user.
Okay. Okay. So
Okay.
basically we are doing development from India. Is that okay?
Yeah, it can be. You can do development anywhere across the world.
Okay. Fine.
And
Thank
if
you.
you wanted to explore more on the documentation part, I would suggest you to go to the tatmeen.ae website, and over
Okay.
there you have various technical documentation, technical guides for manufacturers, technical guides for logistics, and
Okay.
also you have technical guide for onboarding. Because since you are in the initial step, I would highly suggest you to refer technical guide for onboarding, for
Okay.
staging APIs, and for production APIs. Over there, you will have the steps to how to register the APIs, how to subscribe the APIs, how to consume APIs, and how to generate the API key.
Okay.
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 And during this process, if you experience any issues or errors, you can drop an email to onboarding@tatmeen.ae. We will be able to help you further.
Okay, cool. If you don't mind, can you just put the email ID in the chat session? I can copy it then.
You can make a note onboarding at
Okay.
tatmeen.ae.
Onboarding at
At tatmeen.ae.
tatmeen.ae. Okay, cool. Fine. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks. We don't have any more questions as of now. We'll wait for 5 minutes and then we will proceed accordingly. Since we don't have any more questions, we will wind up this call. If there are any questions, please feel free to reach us, and we will be sharing the meeting recording in next 24 hours from now. Thank you so much.